Stop guessing important questions for your class 10 math. Save this video and solve the 100 most common exam questions with me. Question number 67. A motorboat whose speed in still water is 18 km per hour takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Let's start. Speed of the boat in still water is given to you 18 km per hour. Let's assume that the water speed is x km per hour. Okay, so first downstream speed. So downstream boat speed and water speed are in the same direction, so they will get added. So downstream speed will be 18 plus x. So opposite will happen in the upstream. Their speeds are in opposite direction, so we have to take the difference. So upstream speed will be 18 minus x. Okay, then speed is equal to distance upon time, and that's why time is equal to distance upon speed. Now what is the condition given to you? That the time taken for upstream is equal to time taken for downstream plus 1. Okay, so upstream is taking 1 hour more as compared to downstream, right? So let's put the value. The time taken for upstream is distance upon speed, right? So distance is 24 kilometers and the speed of upstream is 18 minus x. So distance is same in both the cases, upstream also and downstream also, which is 24 divided by downstream speed is 18 plus x, okay, and plus 1. So let's solve it. If you simplify the right hand side, we will get 24 plus 18 plus x upon 18 plus x, and then you will cross multiply, okay? So 24 into 18 plus x is equal to 42 plus x into 18 minus x. Okay, again simplify. So on left hand side we'll get 24 into 18, that's 432 plus 24x. On right hand side we will get 42 into 18, that's 756 minus 42x, then plus 18x and minus x square. Okay, then we'll transfer all the terms to the left hand side. That will give you x square plus 24x plus 24x, then plus 432 and minus 756 equal to 0. So that will give you x square plus 48x minus 324 equal to 0. Let's split the middle term. So it will be x square plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 equal to 0. From first two term we can take x common, and from last two term we can take minus 6 common, and then we can take x plus 54 throughout common. So we will get two factors, x plus 54 and x minus 6. If you equate x plus 54 equal to 0, you will get x equal to minus 54. Again here you can see we are getting a negative value. So x is a speed, right? And speed can't be a negative number. So that's not possible. Second factor, x minus 6 equal to 0 will give you x equal to 6. And that's a positive number, so we can accept it. That's why the speed of water stream is 6 km per hour.